how should we concentrate on a salah? And this problem of your mind deviating during salah is common. Don't think it only happens to you. It is very common. It even happened amongst the Sahabas. So this is a common phenomena, that your mind deviates when you pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And when you're doing work of Allah, when you're doing dawah, you know the shaitan tries and comes and deviates you more. And just to make it a light moment, once an Imam was praying Salah, the Maghrib Salah, and after the Salah was over, the Muqtadi says that, Imam, you have prayed only 2 rakat. Imam says, no, I prayed 3 rakat. So one person gets up and says, you have prayed only 2 rakat, and I'm confident about it. He says, how? Because in my Maghrib Salah, I calculate the profits of my business. Now I wasn't able to complete it. That means you have not finished all the 3 rakat. Anyway, this is just a joke, just for a light moment. So your mind does deviate, and though it's a joke, it's a reality. People do even calculate the profit. They even think, which business should I deal in? Should I deal in biscuits, or should I deal in cold drinks, or should I deal in textile? It happens. I've given a full lecture on this. Salah, the programming towards righteousness, which is available on the YouTube.